Tonight on It's the Law, Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump is facing scrutiny a day after he told a crowd gun rights advocates should do something about Hillary Clinton. Take a listen.
Hillary wants to essentially abolish the Second Amendment. By the way, and if she gets to pick her judges, nothing you can do, folks. Although the Second Amendment people, maybe there is, I don't know.
Let's bring on our legal analyst, Attorney Jay Davis. Jay, some people think that this was a threat. A lot of national leaders are worried about Hillary Clinton's safety. What say you?
I say it's great that for two things. It's great for Donald Trump because he's in the news, which he likes to be, and that's fantastic. It's great for Hillary because there's all kinds of scandal going on with her, so focusing on Trump is great for her. So I think the media and the candidates sort of get what they like. But for the Second Amendment, when you look at the Second Amendment does say what Donald Trump is saying. It's that there's a group of people, there's recent law that clarifies that Second Amendment applies to individual rights to protect themselves even against the government. So in order to protect a free state, you have to have the arms by the individual so that you can, the theory is that you can protect yourself against the government. So when he says if the judicial activist judges do something that's against the Constitution, try to violate those rights, that maybe the Second Amendment people, which means gun rights people, maybe they would have something to say about it. Probably meaning, it sounds like it may mean that in order to protect themselves against the encroachment of the state, that they could bear arms against them. Mm-hmm. Other people say maybe it just means that they could vote or get out the NRA and gun lobbyists and make some controls that way. Either way, it's probably just something that's a little bit controversial because of the way it sounds rather than what it's actually being said.
Jay, a lot of people listen to Donald Trump. You don't think that this incites something here? And does it endanger Hillary Clinton at all, you think?
I don't think it endangers Hillary Clinton any more than she's already in danger. Obviously it may endanger Donald Trump because there's people who don't want to hear Donald Trump saying anything, particularly against the government. And when you see the Republicans and the Democrats so staunchly against a candidate, you might want to look at that candidate as, why is he rubbing the feathers wrong of all the government candidates? So he's getting a lot of support because he does speak out for the people in a way that other candidates might. Nobody seems to have a problem with Hillary Clinton and the things that aren't true about what she says, but they go to Donald Trump on things that are true, but they don't like the way it sounds. Ultimately, I don't think it brings out anything negative or any type of violence in that way.
All right, Jay, thanks so much. And as always, we want to hear your legal questions. Email us at itsthelaw@41nbc.com. We'll answer those during our It's the Law segment each Wednesday on the news at 6.